Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about the Slamate 6CH-940 spa filter replacement compatible with multiple popular models including Unicel 6CH-940 and Filbert FCO359. This filter features unique trilobal filtration fabric that increases surface area for better water flow and cleaner results. With a dense pleating structure, it offers a larger filtration area than typical filters of the same size. The package includes two filters, each measuring 8¼ inches in length with a 6-inch diameter and a circular handle for easy removal. For best performance, clean your filter every 2 weeks, but remember to remove it before disinfecting to avoid corrosion. If you have any questions, customer service will respond within 24 hours to assist you. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.